Welcome to all Fuji fans out there in the internet. Welcome to my unboxing video of the Fuji Fan. The Fuji cooling fan F001, FAN-001. Let's have a look. Simple package. Typical Fujifilm Connect brochure. The cooling fan, or on German it's Kühlmodul. We have some different other paper things. And there it is. Empty box. That's the cooling fan. So here you see it. Here we have the ventilation things for the hot air. Backside, it's aluminum, I think. The contact points. Little protector for it. I think I have to, do that away. We have the screws. Let's take the XH2S. There we have this little thing. We have to put it off. We have the contacts here. You see them shining a little bit gold. And then and now it's sitting on the back of the camera. Let's go first to video mode. So now I have found the menu setting, sorry. It's on the camera, menu, on the third page, cooling fan setting. We have auto 1, so automatic mode, but with a low fan noise as a prioritizing thing. Auto 2, prioritize camera temperature, so the right thing for hot environments. Low, constantly slow setting. High, constantly at a high speed. And off. So you go for low. I can't hear it. Only when I'm putting the fan directly to my ear. So that's very, very low. Now let's go to high. You can clearly hear it. I'll put it to the microphone. And this will consume a lot of battery, I think. Or you can then use auto mode, but I will do detailed tests about it. So let's say prioritize low fan noise, for example. So yes, here. That's the maximum display you can do, but that's clear, it was before. For long recordings, events, weddings, what else you can use it. I think it's a very cool tool because you can put it off. Much better solution than some other things where you can't cool a camera or what else. So I like it. And here we had the little cap that was on the body, and you can store it here. So that you don't lose it. The same technology as here for the grip. The plate is here, the same thing. And switch it off. So, and this little cap goes in here again. I think I have to turn it around. Yes. And back. And that's it for the Fujifilm FAN-001. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.